welcome to the XCPA channel. This is the tax planning series. Today, we will be discussing something important, that is, as a business owner, how much taxes do you really want to pay? And how much taxes can you not pay? If you want to find out more, stay tuned. Before a taxpayer can ask the question of how much taxes can I not pay, it is important to understand two fundamentals, and that is your tax bracket and your effective tax rate. Now, tax bracket actually changes as you make more income. It starts at 10% and then it goes up to 12, 22, 24, all the way up to the highest bracket, which is 37% now. Effective tax rate is a little different because it varies from individual to individual. Example, just because you are in the highest tax bracket, it doesn't mean that you are paying 37% for your effective tax rate. In fact, your effective tax rate depends on the amount of deductions that you have. That being said, what it means to a taxpayer is that for somebody who makes 50K of taxable income, their effective rate and their tax bracket is actually different from somebody making 100, 200, 500, or a million. Now, as a business owner, at some point, you may have felt that you overpaid taxes. And you might have also heard from friends or business owners or people that you know complaining to you that I paid too much taxes last year. Now, I'm here to tell you the comment of I paid too much taxes is actually relative and it's subjective. And here's why. Somebody making 50,000 because the business owner did not have proper entity structure and proper tax planning, he or she ended up paying 15,000 is actually way more than somebody making 100,000, and with careful planning, they are only effectively paying 25%, which is 25,000. In other words, it is about lowering your effective tax rate. Simply put, every dollar that you make, how many percent of it goes to paying taxes? So today I want to share with all business owners, tax planning is all about your desired tax position. Other than lowering your tax bracket or lowering your effective tax rate, it is about achieving your desired tax position. Meaning, how much do you really want to pay? How much do you really want to pay? That is subjective. So there are three determining factors when you think about your desired tax position. Number one, what do you think is fair to give away to the country, to the government, to the IRS? Number two, how much do you really want to keep? Now, bear in mind, for a business owner who's making 100,000, if the business owner doesn't want to pay any taxes at all, the best effective way legally really is not to show income. And in order not to show income, you have to maximize your deductions, and that impair your long-term capability to save up. And savings is important for every business owner because cash is king. You do need those emergency funds in case anything happens. So at that point, you might want to start thinking about the reason why you pay is also you want to keep some of your earnings. The third point, which is the most important point, is how much IRS audit risk are you willing to face or can you take? You know, in our industry, it's very common that we meet customers who come to us for tax planning and they said, if Donald Trump doesn't pay anything, can I also not pay any taxes at all? You know, well, your situation compared to Donald Trump's situation is not going to be the same because tax position varies from individual to individual. The ability to tolerate risk for everybody is different. Just because Donald Trump is willing to be audited by the IRS every single year, it doesn't mean that you are ready for even one IRS audit. So obviously, when your earnings is really high, say for somebody who makes $1 million, and if the person continuously not pay any taxes, they will come knock at your door at some point. And when that happens, as a business owner, you need to be prepared. Well, thank you everybody for watching today. I hope that you have found this session to be helpful to understand what's your desired position. Now, one thing important for business owner to take note, just because somebody complained that he or she is paying a lot of taxes, that doesn't mean that effective tax rate is very high. So, you know, when it comes to determining your tax position or your desired tax position, the three important points are points that you really should think about. Number one, how much do you want to pay? Number two, how much do you want to keep in your savings? And number three, how much IRS audit risk are you willing to face? We put a lot of heart, sweat, blood into this channel, and I hope that you find this tax planning series to be useful and beneficial for you. As usual, if you'd like to support us, please like, share, and hit the bell notification, and we will see you next time. Thank you. Goodbye.